Hi traders, welcome to the weekly Forex forecast for the 18th of November. Before we start, I just want to confirm what a parabolic trend is. If you don't understand what parabolic trend is, stick with me for the next few minutes as I show you and give you a fantastic example of a trade we had this week. So on the daily chart, I just want to see that the candle is red and below the blue line and all the sellers are in. This is the Kiwi, by the way, and I also want to see that the 4-hour chart is all red. So for complete novices, for complete beginners, you can actually pick up this information and understand the analysis that we do every day. As a VIP member, I'll give you regular updates. So this is the Kiwi, and as we can see, we have a red background. Red background means we are looking for sales only. And my head out of the way, we had a sell signal come in on here, and then it broke this structure, which was support and now resistance. So we had a nice move there. If you sold it at the beginning or down there, you would have had 135 pips, but we got 100 pips, which is fine. Congratulations to all VIP members that got that. The other thing to bear in mind to look out for is the wave 3. The 3 is measuring liquidity, and the higher the number, the stronger the trade. So look out for that. So I've gone through the charts and I'm just about to show you which ones are my favorites for this week. So bear with me and stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so. Let's start with the DXY, which is on the top of my watch list. I've been moving my head away now and again. But as we can see, we have a complete green background. Price is above the blue line and is parabolic to the upside. I do expect a little bit of a pullback, but we're not getting it yet. So we just have to sit tight on this. I think that this is going to fly and continue up as long as this all stays green. What we may find in the next few days, we may find this pulled back down to this area before it moves up. Yen futures is an important aspect which we use, and the yen futures drives the yen pairs, doesn't it? In other words, so if we see a weaker yen futures, then we see prices going up in terms of the yen pairs, if that makes sense. So I am expecting a break in the next few days. This falling wedge could get broken any moment and go parabolic to 70.064. I'm not trading yens yet. I'm waiting for that confirmation. I really want to let you know. I'll let VIP members know and give you regular updates each day as to when it's broken. Once it breaks, what this means is all the yens tumble down. The Swiss franc futures are important. We're not trading the Swiss franc at the moment. There's something going on here which is not clear. It's definitely weak, as we can see, for the last couple of weeks. But we are expecting a pullback into our ABC pattern, which is what we expect. If we get that, and it comes up to 11642, then I think what we're going to see is a rally in the Swiss pairs. So look out for that. We're avoiding the Swiss pairs for the moment. In terms of the indices, Hang Seng is parabolic to the downside into a falling wedge. As long as that holds, then we can expect further downside this week. And as we can see, we have a complete parabolic trend, and I do expect this price to move back up in the next few days, somewhere to here, 20,000, and then roll over. Again, VIP members, look out for the updates each day. The Dow Jones is parabolic, or certainly was. It's pulled back now, but I think this is just a correction. Let's have a look what the daily is doing. Yeah, this is simply a correction. It could be an exhaustion phase. Could be an exhaustion phase with this wave 5, but I'm not totally convinced of that. I think with the dollar going stronger, this will go stronger as well. And the target's still 48,645. Silver is in a downtrend, exhaustion phase, and moving into an ABC pattern. So we'll be looking out for that each day. One of my favorite trades. I don't trade silver personally. I'm a big gold trader. And we use gold on steroids for that. But as you can see, we've got the consistent downtrend here So next sell signal, sell signal, sell signal. Look out for a sell signal if you have the Advanced Pro charts. On to gold. We love gold. Use the gold on steroids software if you have it. It's by far the best trading software on the market today. And as we can see, it's in a complete downtrend. We had a sell signal back here. If you got that, congratulations, you are 1,190 pips in profit. I think there is going to be a pullback, as we can see by this green, but we're going to have to wait until Monday, Tuesday to see whether this goes or not. I think it's further downside is highly likely, but we're going to have to see. Let's go on to the daily, and as we can see, this is in our ABC pattern exhaustion phase 5, which indicates that we are going to see a pullback probably back to 26.63 before it rolls over again and then starts to head for 24.40, something like that. With the DXY looking strong, of course, the euro dollar goes weak. So congratulations if you traded the euro dollar this week on the Advanced Pro charts. Red background equals sell. Even my 8-year-old grandson can get that bit. So look out for the sell signal. It's easy. Just look out for the sell signal. You can program it so that you get the alert sent into your email if you want to. Save looking at the charts. You don't look at the charts all day. This is a 4-hour chart, so it's very slow. I do expect to pull back up to about 106 and then start to move to back down to 103.74 as long as the DXY capitulates. Pound USD, a beautiful sell signal here when it arrives. Boom. There you go. So a beautiful sell signal there. If you're in it, then you can stay in it. One thing you can do, guys, is just trail your stop, trail your stop, trail your stop, trail your stop, trail your stop. Totally up to you. I think there is going to be a pullback depending on the DXY. So you're going to get something like this. And then I've moved down. So we don't sell it at this stage. We wait for the price cycle. The price cycle is looking like it's going to sell off even further with high volume as well. So the pullback might be shallow. So look out for that this week, guys. Aussie USD, congratulations if you got the sell signal. And the what we call the stepping stone effect with price action is really important as well. Again, if you got in at the sell signal, stop, 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 stop. I've done the Kiwi. We are looking for a pullback to about 59.20 in the next few days, pending orders on if you're a VIP member. If you want to be a VIP member, totally up to you. I don't care. VIP members, I don't coach many people. I don't want to coach many people. But if you want to join the team, I'll be happy to help you along. US Swiss, look out for the wave 3s. I'll remind you each time. Wave 3s are the strongest in the market. So this tells you that there's high liquidity in the buy zone. And a double buy equals up, up, up. US Canadian, a similar story with the DXY stronger. So the story on the dollar this week is to keep an eye on the DXY. If the DXY pulls back, then all of these will pull back. And we could see a fantastic move further upwards. Euro Canadian is to the downside, parabolic to the downside as confirmed by the 4-hour chart, red background. And as we can see by this channel, I do expect the price to move up into 149 before it rolls over. However, it may not come up that far. I'll tell you why. The price cycle is very, very high. So this price at the moment at 148.34 is very expensive. But it still could come up to this here, and the pending order 149 is a good idea. If you're not sure, just switch on the predictive software and it tells you where the price is going. So you can predict quite accurately it's going to come up to here, double top. Somewhere around there, stop around there, and target. Where's the target going? There we go. So we got a target here of 144.88 on the Euro Canadian. One of my favourite trades, by the way, this week, guys. So look out for that. Euro Swiss is to the downside, and as we can see, the predictive software is continuing that theme. We've got a double sell, which is what we like, and the predictive software is saying it's going down. Aussie Swiss is parabolic to the upside. Now this, as long as the Swiss franc futures continues weak, as I explained earlier, then we can see the price of this to go up. We can see that we've had a change of character and an uptrend is in play. I'm just waiting for the break and the buy signal and the price to move above these resistance lines. So this is red hot. So look out for that. The yens are definitely not ready. Wait for the yen futures contracts to go up and confirmed. I'll let you know when they're ready. Now Bitcoin, I'm not a Bitcoin trader as such. I have a Bitcoin wallet which I bought 10 years ago. It's doing rather well now, as you can imagine. Cost me $500, and so we can see the break here on the Advanced Pro software, and we can see the levels 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and I expect the price will probably be going up even further to, I did predict the beginning of the year 100,000 this year, and looks like my prediction is going to be right. So if you've got a Bitcoin wallet, just hold it. It could fly and it could go to 500,000 quite easily.